In this video, we are going to check out the Stripe application, that how it will be installed and configured. So first of all, go to the agency level, and on the agency level, go to the level of marketplace, like on there. So first of all, search the Stripe app here, and then install. So you can install on the agency level, then it will be installed on all the locations. But in this case, now I am integrating it to the location only. So it takes some time, and after this it will be installed. So let's go on the location only. So on the location level, when the app is installed, so there will be a custom page like this one. So search there and configure it. So we need a API key. So for this we need to go to the Stripe dashboard. So this is our Stripe dashboard, and we need to go developers. So here is the API key. So you can create a secret key there. So there is a authentication code need to be verified, like 136. So after this you should name the key and create it. So when you create, then copy this and like put there and submit it. So credentials are saved, and now you can use the Stripe app in the workflow builder, like to go on the automation as well. Okay, thank you.